Sunday evening, southeast Texas. A cold front will arrive around midnight tonight. Before that, in the lakes area, and some scattered showers will be possible along that front as well. Then we'll look for increasing northerly winds. And we do have enough moisture in place for about a 30, maybe a 40% coverage of light showers as the front works through, like I said, around midnight, maybe even a little bit before that. It certainly has picked up some speed. It's moved through the Dallas area right now. Then we'll see some much drier air. Back the front by 10:30 tonight, beginning to move into the lakes area, already down to 43 at that time in Dallas, 20s in Oklahoma City, but colder than that up to the north. Front will continue to work on through southeast Texas, and tomorrow probably just staying in the upper 40s. We may hit 50. There will be a lot of clouds tomorrow, but it's mainly cirrus clouds, high clouds. So if we get a few breaks in the sun, even though it'll be very windy out of the north, we could top 50, 51 coming up tomorrow afternoon. Look at that, highs only in the low 40s in Dallas and North Texas tomorrow. And then as we head into Tuesday morning, just above freezing, but no hard freeze is expected out of this event. And then as we head toward Wednesday morning, that'll be the coldest at around 30, 31 in the triangle, some upper 20s in the lake. So the good news is I don't see a hard freeze out of this. It won't be that cold long enough Wednesday morning for that. So that's certainly the good news there. The forecast issue mainly is winds, but it's nothing we've seen before. We'll have some gusts to 30 later tonight, tomorrow, throughout the day. This is at 11 o'clock tonight, Sunday night. The front beginning to move in. Watch the winds pick up, especially toward daybreak. Some gusts to 30 to 35 possible, especially near the coast as the front begins to work on offshore. But it's going to be just a windy, cold day coming up for Monday, that's for sure. And then as we head later in the day, the winds will begin to come down, but still pretty breezy. And that's going to lead to a wind chill Tuesday morning. It'll feel like the 20s when you wake up Tuesday morning, but at least we'll have plenty of sun, and we'll see a slow warm up as we head toward the middle of the week, and much warmer by the end of the week. Wednesday morning will be the coldest, upper 20s up in the lakes to around 30, 31 along Interstate 10. Certainly a lot of frost expected there, but no hard freeze at this time. So that's certainly good news there. And then we'll start that warm up. Now here's a look at Futurecast at 10:30 tonight. A little thin line of light showers. You can see the cold front moving into Woodville at around 10:30 tonight. There goes the little light showers. There'll be some light sprinkles and light rain behind it, with temperatures falling into the 40s by tomorrow morning, low to mid 40s. We'll carry that 30 to 40% coverage to around 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning. I think tomorrow will be dry. And to see what the computer shows for a high tomorrow, I still think 50 is possible. See it hitting pretty close to 50. It's mainly just high clouds moving in, so there'll be a few peaks of sun from time to time, especially mid to late afternoon. But the bottom line is it's going to be a cold day. Jacket needed, coat needed, because most areas will probably just stay in the upper 40s for your Monday. Gale warning offshore for north winds up to 30 knots, seas up to about 6 feet. Water temperature up again, at least temporary, as this will drop quite a bit this week, but it's 73. That's well above normal for this time of the year. All right, overnight, of course, the weather changes, going from spring-like now to winter by morning. 30% coverage of showers overnight till around 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, turning windy and colder. Around 40, 42 in the lakes in the morning. We'll go with 45 along Interstate 10, of course, upper 40s on the beach. And for tomorrow, lots of high clouds, so mostly cloudy and cold. A windy day. You'll have north winds 15 to 30 with highs probably staying in the 40s in the lakes, upper 40s there, upper 40s near 50 in the triangle. 7-day forecast, it warms up though quick, already back to the 70s by the end of the week. But a lot of cold weather to get through in the meantime. Near 50 tomorrow, 34 Tuesday morning, up to 53, 54 on Tuesday. The winds start coming down. Wednesday morning will be the coldest at around 30, 31, but we reach 61. That'll be a nice thaw out there Wednesday afternoon. Reason being, we'll have southwest winds. Even though they're light, that's a warmer wind. Still pretty chilly Thursday morning in the upper 30s, 69.